I'm back again in the video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about David De Gea. So apparently, David De Gea said goodbye to his to his teammates, all in Manchester. Ones that are left that haven't gone on holiday, and also they said goodbye to the staff ahead of a Real Madrid move. So basically, I think it's all but confirmed that David De Gea will join Real Madrid this summer. And so that's pretty much it. And most betting sites have stopped taking bets on De Gea joining Real Madrid, and the fee is around 25 to 30 million, which I think is really cheap. Real Madrid have got him for really cheap. But if it's his wish, then Van Gaal can't say no, because Van Gaal has said that it is up to David De Gea if he wants to leave or not. So anyway, that's pretty much it on David De Gea. So it's going to be the last time. Well, it was the last time you've seen him in a Man U shirt this season, and next season he will be at Real Madrid. And I just wish that if Man U do get to like the quarterfinals or something, or even in the group stages, I hope we don't get Real Madrid, because I don't wanna, I don't want us to verse him and then he makes some good saves and because of him we lose, because that'd be just that'd be annoying. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Please subscribe, like, and see you later.